Oh my goodness. Absolutely, this is amazing. Look at this. This is a crazy footage, and do you know how I created it? Let me show you without wasting any time, and I'm going to build the whole things from one idea. Well, the idea is too simple. A detective wakes up in the futuristic city where every human has vanished. The streets are empty, the screens are still running, and then one message appears across the skyline. You were not supposed to survive. Well, that's the story. Now the question is, can AI turn that into something that actually feels cinematic? Because making one beautiful AI clip is not impressive anymore. Anyone can type cinematic robot in the rain and get something that looks cool for 5 seconds. Right, but the hard part is storytelling. Can we create multiple scenes that connects? Can we control the pacing? Can we build tension? Can we make it feel like an opening of a Netflix style sci-fi thriller instead of random folder of AI clips? Well, that's what I'm testing today with Topview AI using Topview AI Agent V2 powered by Seedance 2.0. And what makes this different is that I'm not just generating one clip and calling it a video. I'm going to use the agent to plan the scenes, generate the shots, extend movements, refine the visuals, and assembles everything into one continuous story. Alright, so a story needs scenes, it needs pacing, it needs a beginning, a middle, and an ending, and it needs structure. And that is exactly why I want to test Topview AI V2 powered by Seedance 2.0, because this is built around long-form AI video creation, not just isolated clips. I'm going to actually build something with Topview AI and show you how the workflow feels from idea to finished video. So here's the concept I'm going to create today. A lonely detective wakes up in a futuristic city where every person has disappeared, and the only clue is a glowing message on a giant screen that says you were not supposed to survive. Well, that's scary, and that already sounds like a Netflix sci-fi thriller. Now the job is to turn that idea into scenes. So first I'm opening Topview AI, and the first thing I want to use is Video Agent V2. Well, this is important because this version is designed for longer multi-scenes AI videos. Instead of thinking like give me one clip, I want to think like a director. I need scene 1, scene 2, then scene 3, scene 4, and then I need those scenes to connect. And I'm going to start from scratch and give the agent my main idea, not a perfect prompt, not some insane 50-line technical prompt, just the story concept. And this is where Topview becomes interesting. The agent is not only generating visuals, it helps organize the idea into a storyboard. That matters because beginners usually don't struggle because they lack imagination. They struggle because they don't know how to structure the video. I believe a good AI video is not just about the model, it's about direction. So now I'm breaking the story into multiple scenes. So the scene 1 will be a wide cinematic shot of an empty futuristic city at sunrise. Neon lights are still flickering, but there are no people anywhere. Scene 2 will be something like the detective wakes up inside an abandoned apartment, confused, wearing a dark coat with dust floating in the air. So for the scene 3, it will be something like he walks through the empty streets, passing frozen cars, broken screens, and silent buildings. For scene 4, he seems a giant digital billboard turned on by itself with that message you were not supposed to be survived. And for scene 5, the camera pushes in as he looks up, realizing he is being watched. Now, this is where most AI video tools start falling apart. You would normally generate one clip, download it, go somewhere else, generate another clip, try to match the style, then edit everything manually, then realize the character looks different in every scene, then redo half of it. Topview AI multi-scenes workflow is trying to reduce that chaos. I can create multiple clips, refine them, extend scenes using prompts, and keep building the story inside one workflow. Well, that is a major difference because the tool is not treating my video like one disconnected generation, it's treating it like a project. Now I'm selecting the setting. I can choose things like aspect ratio, duration, and generation mode. For this video I want a YouTube style cinematic look, so I'm thinking for 16:9 ratio. If I were making a TikTok or reel, I would go vertical. That's simple, but for this topic, Netflix style story wide format makes more sense. Alright, and now because Seedance 2.0 is powering the standard model, I'm expecting stronger cinematic movement, better detail, and more natural scenes composition. Okay, now I'm going to generate the first scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And look at this. This is the part where you start to understand how powerful this can be for creators. We are not booking a location, we are not renting lights, we are not hiring background actors, we are not waiting 3 weeks for production. We are creating a cinematic opening shot from a prompt. But let me be clear, this is not a magic button. If your idea is weak, AI will not save it. Bad prompt in, average video out. The real skill is knowing what you want: camera angle, mood, lighting, action, and scene purpose. You don't just write make a cool city, that is lazy. You write what the viewer should feel. For the opening scene, I want mystery, so I'm asking for slow aerial shot, cold blue morning light, empty streets, cinematic fog, and a lonely atmosphere, and that gives the AI direction. Now for scene 2, I need a detective. This is where reference images can help. If you want more consistency, you can upload reference and guide the visual style. That's important because long form AI storytelling needs control. You don't want your main character looking 5 different peoples across 5 scenes, right? Now I'm generating the apartment scene. The detective wakes up, the camera is closed, the mood is tense, and this is the human moment. The city shot gives us scale, but this shot gives us the character. And that's how you need to think when creating AI stories. Don't just make every shot epic. If everything is epic, nothing is epic, right? Because you need contrast, wide shot, close-up, moment, silence, reveal, and reaction. That's what gives your video a premium story feeling. Now I'm going to extend one of the clips. This is another key feature because sometimes the scene is good, but it's ends too quickly. So instead of starting over, I can prompt the tool to continue the action. For example, extend the scene as the detective slowly turns toward the window and sees the city outside. And this is how you build momentum. That's simple. Now I am putting the clips together into one longer sequence, and this is the real value of Topview Agent V2. It's not just making short clips, it's helping me build a continuous story. For YouTubers, this opens a lot of use cases. You can create faceless story videos, you can create cinematic intros, you can build product demos without filming, you can make educational explainers, you can create fictional scenes for documentaries, you can build concept trailers, and you can make marketing videos for your brands. And if you are a creator with ideas but no production budget, this gives you a way to actually visualize those ideas. And that is a big shift. Before, video production was limited by access: who has the camera, who has the studio, who has the editor, who has the actors, who has the money. Now the limitation is different. The limitations is taste. Can you write a good prompt? Can you structure a good scene? Can you choose the right pacing? Can you tell a story people actually want to watch? Because AI can generate visuals, but you still have to direct. And honestly, that is what I like about Topview. It feels like a random AI toy and more like a creative production assistant. That agent helps you with the structure, Seedance 2.0 helps with the visual generation, and the multi-scene workflow helps you move toward an actual finished video instead of a folder full of disconnected clips. Now you might be wondering, is this perfect? No, you still need to test prompts, you still need to refine scenes, you still need to make creative decisions, and if you are trying to create a complex film with perfect characters continuously, you need patience. But compared to the old way of trying to build AI videos clip by clip, this is much cleaner workflow. Alright, now it's time to show you the final results. So here it is, a Netflix style AI story created without a camera. We started with one idea, we turned it into a storyboard, we created multiple scenes, we extended clips, we combined everything into one longer video, and the entire thing happened inside an AI workflow. That's it's really crazy. And I know you want to try it now too. So if you want to try Topview AI V2 yourself, I will leave the link in the description. And if you are serious about AI video creation, especially longer stories and multi-scene projects, this is definitely something worth testing. Because the future video creation is not just type a prompt and get a clip. The future is directing entire stories with AI, and today we just made fun. So that's it. Hope this video is helpful for you, and again, link in the description of Topview AI. Definitely go and try it out. And if you have any questions, queries, and concerns about this video, and any questions regarding Topview AI, then definitely again comment down below. And before going, hit that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now.